Fish. Got him to the reel quickly, thankfully. Let's see. Doesn't look huge. Maybe this is a good one. It's cool to see in the clear water though. Yeah, there's one chasing it too. So I can't really tell how big this one is. Okay, I'll try to just tail grab him. He's not a giant. Okay. I feel like there's one chasing this one here. Does it not look like there's two fish? I think it's a char. Yeah, it's definitely a char. But first fish of the day, first nice day here in Iceland. Figured I'd record a few holes. I was hoping this was a brown, but looking like I see some white fins here, which means it's a char. Which this is actually a pretty decent char. I was thinking it would be a brown, and it would be on the smaller end. But this is upper teens fish, maybe 20. Do not have a net on this side of the river, so I'm gonna have to just try to tail grab them and start backing up. So strong. This isn't even a super big one. Just floating a nymph in the indicator, and with an indicator, and like fifth cast through there we got one. Actually, this is a pretty big char. Try to get him on these rocks over here. Oh yeah, that is a good one. But yeah, I don't have a net, and I'm gonna guess he's gonna be going crazy here when I get him towards the shore. Real thin tippet too, so I can't really put much pressure on him. Come on, fish. Drag is still pulling, and we're minutes into this fight, but he's close. Come here. We will try to keep you in the water, buddy. Get my hands wet. Tail grab. Nice fish. Look at that in the colors there. Whew. White fins, orange belly. Little nymph. Right on the top of the mouth. Get him unhooked and get him back quick. Ah, these things do have some teeth. Hold this guy up here with the sunlight hitting it. That's pretty sweet. That's probably a 20-inch char, I would think. But they're pretty and they fight hard. There he goes. They're rising right here. Yeah, I've seen two. Between me and you. Right about there. That was cool. Guessing that was the fish Oh, it is a brown, I think. A solid one. I can get it though. That was sweet. Saw that fish rise. I don't have a dry fly on, but casted it right where he was. And got him on the nymph. I feel like my line is twisted here. Something's screwed up. Yeah, because that leader or that indicator does not look right. That is around a upper teens. Don't have a tape measure. That skinny one, that might touch 20. Yeah, it's probably a 20. Try to get him where we got that char. Same hole. Saw this fish rising. This is a pretty fish. Caught one big brown yesterday that was probably 21, but a lot heavier than this one. This one's a little skinny, but this one's definitely prettier. Let's see if we can get you where we grab the char. I don't know what is going on with this indicator, but something doesn't look right. Eh, maybe not quite a 20. That's upper teens though. Sweet looking fish. Come here. Nope, not ready yet. Yeah, it's a little deeper there too. I must have grabbed the char right here. It's on the rocks. Get my hand wet and you got a tail grab. Yeah, it's about 20-inch brown. Real long, skinny, barely hooked. Oh, barbless hook, that was barely on there. That thing is sweet. Look at the colors on this brown. Holy smokes. Let's see what the other side looks like. Oh, wait till the sun comes out. Just hold him here so I can hold him up. All right, here's some sun so we can see him better. Oh, look at that brown. That's sweet. Ice Age brown. Real cold water. We'll let him go. Is that bottom? Do you see that? I was bringing it in and one hit it. Yeah. Feels like a good one. Dang, that was crazy. This feels big. Yeah, this feels heavy. Drag doing its work. That was crazy. Started reeling in the nymph and one smoked it. This is a heavy fish. Please stay on. Guide's coming all the way over to take photos, so hopefully this doesn't get off. He's like all the way to the other side of the bank right now. as I said earlier, this is real light tippet. So you kind of got to play them good. The water's pretty cold, so they're pretty fired up. But this is the biggest fish I've hooked today, and maybe so far in the Highlands. But it's not fighting like a char. I think it's got to be a nice brown. Oh yeah. This is a big brown. This is big. Look at this thing. Please get out of the rocks. Did you get a look at it? Feels like a big brown.
Back up on the floor.
Okay.
Get a better angle so I can add it here in the shallows.
Oh yeah, nice. That's pretty.
Say also around 20.
Yeah. Not as big. He fought way bigger than that.
Yeah, but that's good.
Yeah, no, that's a pretty one though. That's pretty average for this.
18, 20 is average. Yeah, I mean it's great average.
Yeah. Man, that thing is beautiful. The way that fought, I thought for sure was bigger than the one yesterday. That's cool though, I was just reeling in. Nice. Is that a male?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it looks like it. That's pretty.
So nice. They're always so calm in the net, you know?
Compared to the char.
They go nuts.
Thank you.
Okay, grab the camera.
Lucky nymph.